Well, I started by sympathizing with those people who don't understand this story and are innocent and want to actually learn about that story.
Kuri uyu wa 12 Ukwakira 2021, Perezida Kagame yagarutse ku gitutu kimaze iminsi cyose u Rwanda ngo rurekure Paul Rusesabagina. Avuga ko urubanza rwe rwaciye mu mucyo, naho abashaka ko arekurwa bakwiye kumenya ko ubuzima bw'Abanyarwanda bufite agaciro nk'uko ubw'Ababiligi n'Abanyamerika nabwo bufite agaciro. Umukuru w'igihugu yabigarutseho mu kiganiro yatanze mu nama ngarukamwaka yiga ku mutekano iri kubera i Doha muri Qatar. Muri iyi nama, umukuru w'igihugu yagiranye ikiganiro n'umunyamakuru Stephen Craig Clemons ukora kuri The Hill, kimwe mu binyamakuru bikomeye muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Clemons wavutse mu 1962 yakoze kuri The Atlantic no ku bindi binyamakuru birimo Quartz. Yabajije umukuru w'igihugu icyo avuga ku bantu bamaze igihe basaba ko Paul Rusesabagina afungurwa, n'icyo asubiza bavuga ko ibyabaye kuri uyu mugabo wabaye icyamamare kubera filime Hotel Rwanda ari intambara y'aba Paul babiri, Paul Kagame na Paul Rusesabagina. Perezida Kagame yavuze ko hari abantu benshi badashishikajwe n'ikintu na kimwe ku kibazo cya Rusesabagina, usibye kuvuga gusa ko akwiriye kurekurwa. Inkuru ya Rusesabagina Kagame yavuze ko ifite impande ebyiri, aho rumwe rushingiye kuri filime Hotel Rwanda. Iyi filime yagombaga kuba ibari inkuru ivuga ku bintu bitabayeho, yaje guhinduka igira Rusesabagina intwari y'u Rwanda. Ikindi gice cyo yavuze ko cyubakiye ku cyambere, kuko cyo abantu benshi bari bararemye Rusesabagina bashingiye kuri filime nk'umuntu w'igitangaza, maze nawe yuririra kuri ubwo bwamamare yaba ku giti cye cyangwa se akoreshejwe, ashinga kandi ayobora umutwe witwaje intwaro wagabye ibitero ku Rwanda. Ati iyo mitwe yagendaga ihindura amazina, ariko yarayishyigikiraga, agera naho aba umuyobozi w'umwe muri yo. Yakundaga gukorera ingendo mu karere k'ibiyaga bigari, rimwe akajya muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo, muri Zambia no mu bindi bice by'aka karere. Perezida Kagame yavuze ko Rusesabagina afite ubwenegihugu bw'Ububiligi n'uburenganzira bwo gutura muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Ati imitwe yitwaje intwaro yashyigikiye, yateraga inkunga, yakunze kugaba ibitero mu gihugu cyacu iturutse mu Burundi, ubundi iturutse muri Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo. Hano Rusesabagina yatanze ibimenyetso birahari, ntabwo abihakana. Umukuru w'igihugu yavuze ko hari abantu bashyigikira Rusesabagina bananiwe kubona ikimenyetso na kimwe cyangwa se inzira n'imwe inyuranyije n'amategeko mu buryo u Rwanda rwakoresheje kugira ngo rumute muri yombi. Ati babuze inzira n'imwe inyuranyije n'amategeko mu byabaye kugira ngo agere mu Rwanda.
There are those people who support him, who complain a lot about him. They have failed to find any illegal way or aspect of what happened in getting him here. So that's not a problem really. The problem we want to concentrate on is his activities with the armed groups in the region that has many victims in Rwanda. And in fact, together with him, there are close to 20 associates of his who are appearing co-accused with him in the court of law here in Rwanda. And we are tried together, and they gave evidence against one another, and almost all of them against him, close to 20 of them. Now, the issue here becomes, from outside, from the celebrity status that was created for him, the same people that created that celebrity status have to work toward having him freed and, in fact, absolved of any responsibility irrespective of the victims of his actions or the co-accused who actually stood in this case with him. For him, they just... Now, this is where the interesting part comes in, because now it becomes the case of where the powerful, in whatever sense you put that, will just determine and say, no, this man, first of all, we are the one who made him a celebrity. Whatever he did, that's none of our business. He must be freed because he's a resident of the United States or a citizen of Belgium, and in fact, we had been sharing information with the two countries. The judicial system of Belgium and even of the United States were privy to these activities. We shared with them everything for almost a decade. So they can't even say they don't know. But it's like they are just saying, no, switch off everything, forget about this, we want this man to be released. And we are saying, okay, these organizations or these countries are powerful, but I think we need to take care of our own people's security as well, and we will do that legally and very firmly, and they can keep talking about the Hollywood stories, but where it involves our lives are as precious to us as lives are precious to Belgium or United States or any other who might be interested. So it was an open case. It was tried in the court of law. It was public. The evidence was shared publicly. There is no doubt about the amount of evidence, the quality of the process, and so on. But so we are having this issue to deal with.
Perezida Kagame yavuze ko hari abandi bareganwaga na Rusesabagina batanze ibimenyetso mu rubanza bashinjanya, ariko by'umwihariko abo bose bagera kuri 20 bose bashinjaga Rusesabagina. Ati abantu bamugize igitangaza bakora ibishoboka byose kugira ngo arekurwe, batitaye ku nzira karengane, ku bikorwa bye cyangwa se ku byo abareganwa nabo bavuga. Perezida Kagame yavuze ko bisa naho abakomeye bamugize igitangaza bumva ko akwiriye kurekurwa kuko ari umuturage w'Ububiligi, akaba anafite uburenganzira bumwemerera kuba muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Umukuru w'igihugu yasobanuye ko mu gukurikirana Rusesabagina, Amerika n'Ububiligi ari ibihugu byombi byagize uruhare mu gutuma ibimenyetso bimushinja biboneka. Ati twamaze igihe duhanahana amakuru n'ibyo bihugu byombi. Ubutabera bw'Ububiligi na Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika twabahaye buri kimwe cyose mu myaka hafi 10. Ntibashobora kuvuga ko ntabyo bazi, ariko ni nkaho bari kuvuga ngo mureke byose, mwibagirwe byose, turashaka ko uyu mugabo arekurwa. Yakomeje agira ati iyi miryango, ibi bihugu birakomeye, ariko nibwira ko dukwiriye kwita ku mutekano w'abaturage bacu, kandi tuzabikora mu buryo bwemewe n'amategeko kandi biciye mu mucyo. Hanyuma bo bakomeze kuvuga ku nkuru ya filime, ariko ibireba ubuzima bwacu budufitiye agaciro gakomeye nk'uko bugafite ku Babiligi n'Abanyamerika. Muri iki kiganiro, umukuru w'igihugu yavuze ko abantu banenga u Rwanda bose babishingira ku kuba hari ibyo rwabashije gukora, akibaza intambwe rumaze gutera iyo iza kuba itaratewe ikiba kivugwa. Ati iyo tuza kuba nta ntambwe twateye, iyo tuza kuba ntacyo twagezeho, abatunenga bari gushingira ku cy'uyu munsi. Dushobora kunengwa kubwo gutera intambwe nziza, ahari no kuba tuticaye ntacyo dukora. Perezida Kagame yavuze ko Abanyarwanda ubwabo batanga ibisubizo ku banenga u Rwanda, kandi ko nabo bantu babibona kandi babisoma. Nitwa Simeon Muhumuza, iyo ukurikiye ni One Nation Radio, Radio ya Diaspora Nyarwanda.